Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to add fingerprint sign-in method in your uh, laptop. So it is very simple. I'm using Windows 11 and with my Dell Precision 7740. So I have dedicated fingerprint sensor on my after the keyboard sections. Okay, so how to do that is very simple. You can simply press Windows I, or you can go to start menu, then go to settings or search settings, then open the settings. After opening the settings, you can see here left side there is an option accounts. Click on that. Then you can see another option, sign in options. Click that. Then you can see multiple sign in options like facial recognition. Second one is fingerprint recognitions. So click that, and you can see here there is an option for setup fingerprint. Click that. After that, you can see here welcome to Windows Hello. Even Davis just go to more personal, say goodbye to entering complex password. So click here, get started, and simply click here once again. Then just tap on your fingerprint sensor. So it will be start to recognize like this. So you can simply complete this section by tapping your sensors, and next page maybe there is an option to add another finger, and also you can create a backup pin in case this fingerprint sensor is not working. You can use that backup pin to enter to your laptop. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.